Was that with YouTube? It's another motherfucking ratchet review. Ain't no review though. I told y'all what it's gonna be and shit. Bam! Y'all see that big bitch? It's that time. Like I said, man, first off, I'm gonna get y'all hit that like button if you fucks with your boy. So if you don't, hit that dislike and get the fuck straight like that. Man, shout out to everybody that's fucking. Well, didn't last long. Like I told y'all, hey, she plays no games whatsoever. I'm talking about, bow. She hit, and I mean, straight like that. No, I don't feed them in no different case, motherfucker. Man, you supposed to, man, look here. They know the difference between a goddamn rat and a human. You feel me? Like shit. I don't feed them in no different caters and no shit like that, and everything works out cool, as y'all see. She has no problem at all getting it motherfucking in. She snatched his ass up, choked him out like shit. Bitch, die. And shit, hey, it is what it is. This process right here take a little long, you know what I'm saying? Her choking him out and shit. I started back up when shit, she started to damn swallow it or some shit. Woo, see that bitch doing the kicking chicken. That bitch do the kicking chicken. Man, it's her time to eat too, as you see, but shit, she more like ducked off. She like, shit, nigga, I'm good to shit. I got it right 4 days ago. My bad, I ain't recorded, but shit, I got some more and shit. Hey, well, I thought I was finna have it for y'all, but shit, y'all see, she chilling. She ain't even much thinking about no rat or nothing. All right, man. I'm finna damn fuck with her a little. Hey, fancy. Bit. Woo! Woo! Shit. Woo! Hey, I leave her big ass alone, you hear me? Fuck with her every now and again. Go on, get it, girl. See that motherfucking rat over there? Shit, she usually, I promise y'all, she usually gonna be telling you, hear me? She be like, Daisy, pow, scrap, boom, over with. Nah, she like, shit, nigga, I'm Gucci. Nigga, feeding your ass too good. Don't make no sense. The other Jones, they eat the little frozen shits. They already knocked them on down, you know what I'm saying? Ain't really no fun with that, just seeing them pow, eat nothing that ain't moving. I like to see a motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? A little battle royale. Shit, the little motherfucking rat, like, shit, matter of fact, let me go and scratch her ass out. Man, I don't make this motherfucking rat move. Woo! Get some, girl. Motherfucker. That motherfucking rat kind of got down me. This motherfucking rat, look at that nigga gonna stand up like he want a box. Nigga, it's time for you to get ate, cuz. I don't think she know that nigga. You know, I know she probably smell his ass, though. Yeah, flick that tongue out, girl. It's something over here for you. It's something over here for you. It's something over here for you. My fat hold on. Goddamn me. Bitch. Bit. My bad, I just slung all. Hey, bit. Bit. Alright. Let me try to move, Mr. Rat. Get your ass on somewhere. Let my girl get your ass. Motherfucking rat like, now I'm finna take a dip. Yeah, shawty, you smell it? Ooh, this nigga trying to get in that bit. Man, you see him. You see him fancy. You see that nigga? He in your pool, girl. That nigga acting like he live here or something. Shout out. Oh, you ain't finna let that shit ride. These motherfuckers killed your cousin. Bam. Oh, shit. She went at him. Oh, that nigga got away. Got to be more faster. Got to be more careful. All that. Hey, come on. Hey, nigga, you ain't finna stay in that corner now. I'm finna make your ass goddamn me. Hey, nigga. Go on up there, nigga. Nah, nigga. Ain't no high, nigga. Get his ass fancy. Get that nigga. Bow. Oh, man, you can't goddamn me. Man, you gotta get his ass back. Oh, this motherfucking rat. I had to change the water anyway, nigga. As y'all see, she ain't got shit in here. Like, when I be feeding them, I take all they shit out. Fancy. Oh, bitch, I ain't scared of your ass no more, bitch. You acting, you know what I'm saying? Bitch, I'm finna pick your ass up and some more shit. If you don't get that motherfucking rat right there. Oh, man, if y'all ain't sub, y'all make sure y'all sub the channel. Hey, look, shit, I thought this shit was going to be moving faster. You know what I'm saying? But she over here playing, goddamn me, playing around with this shit. You ain't supposed to play with your food, y'all. You supposed to tear that ass up. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Oh, shit, I done forgot about Daisy. Hold on, let me pause for the call. Let me go see